is no real Florida Keys.
Ocean and looking at the trees and all.
We are in the Crane Point hammock at their Sunset Boardwalk.
What's a hammock?
The type of forest we're in.
Oh.
The oldest house in the Keys is here. The first original guy came from the Bahamas.
And built the oldest house in the Keys, right?
Yeah.
And then this couple came from Massachusetts.
And bought the property. Then it eventually got sold and the Keys Land and Sea Trust bought it to protect the area.
It's a really cool spot because I think a lot of the Keys are built up
They
quiet.
have a bird sanctuary.
Look at this view. That view, this view.
A giant. Plus, they're very dog friendly. She can go in the museum, she can go in all the yada yada as long as she's on a leash.
You like this place, Jetty?
Are you having fun?
Ooh,
You slept.
watch your step.
So today we are gonna go to the Florida Keys Celtic Festival, and one of the big things is sheep herding. So we have like border collies over here herding the sheep, and unfortunately only service dogs are allowed. So we're watching from the fence so Jetty can see too, and then we're gonna go drop her off. Look at this.
Folks, let's help her out. You got it. You got it. Okay, let's help Denise out here.
Alright, we're testing out the sandbag weight that we got. It's pretty heavy.
Yes, it's really heavy.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. So these are the sandbags that you fill sand in, and you can put them in this thing if you want multiple. And there's 3 total, so there's 2 of them in here that I was using. And Sierra has the last one. It's definitely not like a nice balanced barbell with 45s. I decided it's like all over the place, but I think that's what makes it a better workout. It's hard to like get balanced and breathe when you're holding it on your chest, but it's good. This is in no way a paid sponsorship or anything. It's called Brute Force. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I think we're gonna be seeing some more of this thing. Going back to the boat, and we're gonna make some dinner. What's for dinner?
Tacos or chicken?
Sounds good to me. We're just leaving Marathon, finally, after a long stay here. Met some awesome people. This place is great, but you gotta be careful. They say it's like Velcro. You get stuck and you never leave. So we had to just pull the trigger today and get out of there. We got a nice northeast wind, 15 to 20 knots. It's gonna be a beautiful sail. I think we're gonna head all the way to Key West.
What are you doing up here? You crazy animal? We just ran over another crab trap. He was driving. 4 for 4. Way to go, Billy.
Going downwind on a run here, and we are breaking some speed records. What did we just say, 11.3? 11.3 knots. Catching the waves and surfing down. This is so much fun. The only bad part is there's a million crab traps out and we're trying to dodge them. Here we go, come on. Yeah. 9.4. All right, we're almost in Key West Harbor. Sun's going down. Perfect sail. We averaged, I don't know what we averaged, but we went fast today.
Hey guys, we just want to say thank you for following along on our adventure and supporting. Stay tuned for our next couple of videos. We're going to a couple of cool places that we think you're going to really like. If you want to support even more, you can comment, share, give us a thumbs up, and all those things really help. You can also check out our website for blog posts, and in the next couple of weeks we'll have some more products up there. Stay tuned, because I'm coming back better than ever before on my own channel, Jetty the Gypsy. Thanks.